Randall Brown Thatching Services for all your construction and maintenance repairs. Get your QR code for a discount via WhatsApp today.
Randall Brown News Channel broadcast 2026-2030. Back.
And now a word from our sponsors. Randall Brown Thatching Services is proud to launch a spectacular 15% off to all clients.
Randall Brown Thatching Services for all your construction and maintenance repairs. Message